Today we're going to be reviewing the talking poster and card game, and this is a good game for anybody ages 2 and up. So let's unbox it. You have the poster. It has a lot of games and a lot of letters. You also have some cards, then you have some instructions. Of course, you have the card game. Then you also have the pen. I like that the poster is laminated because if a child spills water on it, it won't get messed up, and it's very durable. The talking cards support 5 languages: English, American Sound, and British Sound. It also supports Spanish, German, and French. 1, 2, 3. And increase the volume and reduce the volume. We're changing the language to French. What was one?
Do.
This is such a great game for 1 to 6 players, ages 2 and up, to enjoy. You have several games in here, such as the timing game, memory game, matching game, find the missing one game, and 24 interesting random games that wait for the kids to challenge them. So we're going to play the card game. We're going to turn it on with that. And then what language do you want to speak? You want Germany or French? We're going to do that language. Spanish. We're going to speak Spanish. So for Spanish, let's touch it.
Piano. Piano.
Piano. Hey, very good. And then what is this in Spanish? Let's touch it down.
Arpa.
Arpa. With this, kids can learn ABC, numbers, word games in different languages. It contains 800 fun encyclopedia knowledge about animals, music, vegetable, and so much more. You can even listen to music.
Recording area. Tap the red dot to start recording.
We're going to press this right here.
Start recording after the beep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This game has 4G memory support for that recording, and after the kids record, they can also collect different sounds and they can tell stories. It also sings songs to give them the best imagination and design their own world. Find S.
Bingo, you were right.
Yay! Bat. Where's bat? What letter does?
You are so smart.
We're going to play a number game. I'm going to pick a language. I'm picking French.
Deux.
Look at it.
3,
4.
4,
Chat.
Cart.
Cat.
4,
Cart.
Chat.
Cart.
Cat.
Okay. So now I want you to write what this is.
4.
Cart. What is cart? Awesome. So cart is 4.
Musical instrument area. The magic wand.
So we'll find that.
Listen to them.
Okay, so find an instrument. So overall, we love this game. This game is going to teach them so many languages and they're going to have so much fun with it.